Welcome back to 5 Talk Street. I'm Chris Gutierrez. The North Texas Irish Festival has grown into one of the largest cultural celebrations in DFW, and NBC5 once again honored to be a big media sponsor. Omega Fallis is here today. Hello to you. He is on the board of directors of the Southwest Celtic Music Association. That organization is the one that produces the festival, and Chef Joey Aletti.
Yes, sir.
Good to see you again, my friend.
Thank you, sir.
The executive chef and event producer at Team Building with Taste.
That's right.
And you were here to demonstrate what we can experience and what you'll be making.
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
At the Irish Festival
you got
this
it.
year. But we want to start with what this Irish Festival is all about. Omega, we can't go any farther until you step to the side and you show us this great, great outfit. So if you're looking for something to wear at the Irish Festival, look here. I'm digging the color purple because you know I'm a TCU Horned Frog.
Excellent.
I love it, I love it, I love it. Okay, now that we have seen you top to bottom, talk to us about the festival and how excited you are.
Well, I'm very excited. First, you don't have to be extra and dressed like this, but when you come out, you can experience music and the culture and community and some of the best food that the culture and DFW have to offer.
You get bonus points, though, if you wear that. I'm just saying.
I agree.
Bonus points if you wear that. How excited are you, Joey, to be part of this?
This is my 6th year. I am so stoked. It's one of my favorite events I do every year. It's so much fun. People come out, and it's pet friendly. It's family friendly. The music, the food. It's just my favorite event of the year.
Omega, when people go home after experiencing the festival, what do you want them to leave with?
I want them to leave with the sense of joy and community and the music appreciation that we all have. I think that one of the things that binds a community together is sharing everybody else's culture. And the Celtic Music Association, Southwest Celtic Music Association, and the Irish Festival want to make sure that that is first and foremost.
Some great pictures here of the event in years past, and you can see, obviously, people have fun. A lot of green, and people have fun.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Let's talk about some of the food, Chef, because when you said something about brisket and Texas and Irish and all that stuff, I said, get in my belly, because I am ready. What are you making today?
Well, you know, in years past, I've always gone with the kind of the more traditional Irish fare. But you know, I thought this year, you know, I want to bring an Irish Texas fusion thing together. Sure. So I thought, well, what can I do? Okay, we have pork, we have Texas, we have Guinness. Hey, how about a Guinness braised pork shoulder with an awesome slaw, and then we'll trick it up with a little cumin, cilantro crema, and some cotija cheese.
Wow. So you make one up for us real quick.
Absolutely.
We have some on display here. So just, what's that, a flour tortilla?
It's a flour tortilla. Of course, you can use any type of tortillas you want. You know, you have corn, you have the combo fusion type tortillas. But just for today, I decided to go with the corn. Okay. I have this beautiful braised pork. It's in Guinness. It has things like cumin and cinnamon and all these awesome aromatic spices. And
so when you let that sit, when you're cooking it, how much Guinness do you put in there?
You know, I use 2 bottles.
Am I going to feel
I call it a 4-bottle Guinness. Okay. 2 in there and
so
yeah. While it's braising, I may partake in about 2 myself there. So we got this beautiful pork that's been braised for about 5 hours in that Guinness. Those beautiful spices. As you can see, it just falls apart, just like that, and all that juice. I don't want to spill it everywhere, so I'm going to bring it right over here, and because you don't want to lose all that au jus from that. And by the way, if you were concerned about the alcohol cooks out in that process. So we get these beautiful, all that meat in there. And if you come out to our demo, the cooking demos, mine will be on Saturday. I promise every person that comes out, well, the first 100 people will get one of these awesome tacos.
Better get there early. And then you put the slaw on top.
I have a little slaw, a little vinegar, a little red wine vinegar slaw, and just like that for color and crunch. And then I've got this amazing little cilantro crema. Of course, if I can get this to come out without blowing everywhere, it'd be great.
And you made some for me on the side.
I'm just going to dip it out like that.
Before this thing started.
How about that?
Wow.
What do you think about that, Chris?
That is tasty.
So I don't have to give you money back?
No.
It's pretty good stuff?
Nope.
How about that?
Nope, I'll take it. I need a knife, though, but that's my fault. Wow. While we eat, talk to us. Give us a sales pitch. What would you say to people? You want them to come out and enjoy it?
Oh, absolutely. So we've already talked about the music. We also have a culinary stage in one of the buildings. We've got 5 different buildings that have different events and 13 different stages. We've got Celtic Air coming out, which are a Celtic and folk Air Force group, and I know that's near and dear to your heart.
It is going to be a blast.
Yes, it is.
Thank you guys for joining us. Make sure that you go out there and enjoy it yourselves. I'm Chris Gutierrez for 5 Talk Street. We'll see you next time. Really good food.
Thanks, brother. Thank you.